Keep an eye on lanes number 4, 5, and 6 in this race. Houghton has a personal best of 60.54. Rodriguez in lane 5 and personal best of 58.98, the Class 4A state champion. And in lane 6, Armstrong of Sickles, personal best of 60.25. This is going to be quick. We're on the back straightaway with about 200 meters left in the race. Alondra Rodriguez, Greek. Here we are coming down to the final 2 hurdles into the race. Alondra Rodriguez in lane 5. On her outside is Armstrong of Sickles.